Hello, in this video we will be going over Google Classroom for students and parents. Before we begin, please make sure you have logged out of all other Google accounts. Alright, first in your browser go to classroomgoogle.com. Click Go to Classroom. Here you will enter your email address that your teacher has given you. If you do not know your email or password, please be sure to ask your teacher for them. Okay, once you have logged into your Google account, you will be asked if you are a student or a teacher. Now, as funny as it might be to yourself as a teacher, your teacher will probably not think it's funny at all. So make sure to click student here, as it can be difficult to switch you from a teacher to a student. Once you have selected your role as a student, you are ready to join your teacher's Google Classroom. Here you can join your teacher's Google Classroom one of two ways. The first way is to enter the class code. At the top, click on the plus icon to pull down the drop box to show Join a Class. Click Join a Class and it will ask you for the class code. Enter the class code your teacher has provided and you will be entered into their Google Class. The second way, your teacher would have to invite you by entering email. Then when you log into your Google Classroom, the class will appear and you can accept the invitation to join. Now for some ground rules of Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, make sure if and when you post anything in the stream that it is appropriate and relevant to school. Make sure to check your classroom stream daily for any updates, handouts, or assignment notifications posted by your teacher. A friendly reminder that Google Classroom does not have reminders for assignments that are due. Make sure to do your best, and if you have any questions about an assignment or if your parents have any questions for the teacher, they can be asked here through Google Classroom.